first property states that if we have a cross B that is equal to minus times of B cross A, means there will, it is not commutative in nature. Simply, if A cross B is equal to minus times of B cross A, when you change the position, the sign, there will be minus sign. Clear? Second property. It is very important. You will just remember this: I, then J, then K. Okay? I, J, then K. That is this property. Why I am telling this? Let us see here. Suppose I ask you, what is I cross with J? What is J cross with K? What is K cross with I? What is I? What is J cross with I? So I cross with J means I is crossing with J. We will get K. Why we are getting plus K? Why no minus K? Because we are moving in the same direction. I and J is coming. That's why we are directly getting plus K. Now here J to K again with the same direction of arrow, so we will get another with the vector which is left, that is I. Here from K to I, so same direction, so which is left J, that is my answer. Now here J to I, J to I, that means we are moving opposite. So my which is left is K, but we are moving opposite, so answer will be minus K. Okay, so that is the simple. Just you have to remember this thing, so you can directly tell. One more thing, what is I? What is I cross I? That is 0. What is J cross J? That is again 0. What is K cross K? That is again 0. All are 0. Everything is 0. That is a important second property. Third property is that is mod of A cross B vector square is equal to mod of A dot B vector square is equal to how much? That is mod of A square into mod of B square. You have to prove this. I told you, mod of A square mod of B square into cos square theta. What is it? Sorry, not cos square theta. You get sin square theta. Similarly here also mod of A square sin square theta. Alright, theta is not come here na, because mod of theta will be 1 because it is a unit vector. So from here you take common. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is this value? This value is 1 because it's the mathematical property. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. So from here what we will get? Mod of A square. Simple. Okay, that is the third most important property. Okay, now let us understand one very important property. It is not a property of a cross product. It is a general thing, general concept. Okay, I will explain you with the help of one example also. What is that concept? Any vector, suppose A is written as the sum of its parallel and perpendicular like I will take example, then I will explain. But for example, suppose there is a one vector is there. Suppose there is a one vector, and this vector is I cap, our favorite vector, plus j cap plus k cap, and one vector is that is I cap plus j cap. I ask you to find your vector projection A, projection of A, vector A, that is parallel to vector B, and vector projection of A, that is perpendicular to vector. Okay, this is the two questions. You have to answer these two questions. The question is that how will you solve this? See, parallel projection is simple. How to do the perpendicular projection? How to solve this? Just put a one attempt. I will explain you how to solve. Okay. First, you have to put your sum attempt. It's a good question. Basically, what is given here? What is given? We have given a one vector. I cap, sorry. I cap, and J cap, plus K cap, and vector A is equal to I cap plus J. These are the two vectors I have. Okay, this is the two vectors. So let us draw one image so that we can understand things more properly. Okay. Suppose this is my B vector and this is my A vector. Now I have to find the projection of A along B which is parallel to B. That is the first question. Now, okay, how to take a projection? I told you first you draw a perpendicular, then after that you take a projection. Vector projection of A parallel to B. So what is the vector projection of A that is parallel to B? It is mod of A vector into cos theta. And if it is a vector projection, what we will do? We will multiply it by B cap also. That will be my parallel projection. So my first answer will be this one. That is mod of A vector into cos theta into B cap. Because whenever we need to give a direction, we use the unit vector. So now calculate this value. What is mod of A? We know √3. How to calculate cos theta? That you know. What is B cap? What is B cap? That is I cap plus J cap divided by its magnitude. That will be √3. How to calculate cos theta? Cos theta is A dot B. How much is A dot B? You will get 2. How much is the magnitude of this? That is √3. We have calculated out this value in the previous question. I am directly using it. That's why I am not showing the calculation. I hope we have done previously. That's why we are using it. This is √3 and this is 2 by √3 into I plus J divided by √2. Here 2 √3, so you will get I plus J. Okay. Now, okay, this is the parallel. What is the perpendicular? This will be 8 sin theta that I explained earlier also. This angle is theta. How to take the component? And what is the direction of this? How to find the direction? How to find the direction? Like what will be the direction? Now, there only this property will come into the picture. It states that any vector A can be written as a sum of its parallel and perpendicular component. See, this is the parallel component of vector A which we have found. This is the parallel component of vector A. How to find the perpendicular component? Because my vector A can be written as sum of its parallel component plus perpendicular component. Okay, so my A perpendicular I can directly calculate as what? My A vector minus parallel component. We know the perpendicular, we know the A vector, that is I plus J plus A, minus this is I plus J, what we have got. So my final answer is what? I. So my perpendicular will be this, correct? And this is my second answer. Clear? I hope till now everyone is clear with all the concepts which I tried to explain you in this class. In the next class we will see some direction question